Hi learners, let's discuss a few problems how to determine molecular formula. In order to determine molecular formula, we need to know few relations between molecular formula and empirical formula and others. Let's see, first thing, if you want to determine a molecular formula, what is the relation between molecular formula and empirical formula? Molecular formula is equal to n multiplied by empirical formula. Okay, n multiplied by empirical formula. So in order to determine molecular formula, if you want to solve problems on molecular formula, what things you have to know? You have to determine empirical formula first step, and second step you need to find n value. Okay, how can you find empirical formula? You know, based on that percentage weights, how to calculate empirical formula, that we discussed in a separate video, you can see. Now second thing, how can we calculate n value? N is nothing but molecular formula mass to that of empirical formula mass. If you do this, you are going to get n value. Okay, and simply if you substitute these values in the above equation, you can find molecular formula. So let us discuss one problem based on this, so that you can understand easily how to determine molecular formula. So here you see, I gave a problem. A brominated compound on analysis gave 12.8% carbon and 2.1% hydrogen. Okay, its vapor density is 93.95. What is its molecular formula? That's there. What things they have given in the problem? You see, they are given percentage weight of carbon, percentage weight of hydrogen. What else they said? They said it's a brominated compound. So rest of the percentage will be bromine. Let's see, percentage of carbon is equal to 12.8, percentage of hydrogen equal to 2.1. Then what will be the percentage of bromine? 100 minus 12.8 minus 2.1, that equal to how much you will get? 85.1. These are the things that we got. And in addition to this, what they have given? They have given vapor density also. Vapor density also they give. So first what I have to do, first step, I need to find empirical formula. Step 1 is I need to determine empirical formula. How can I do this? First thing, I know already percentage weights. Directly I will take the ratio. Carbon, hydrogen, bromine. So what ratios are? Carbon 12.8 to that of carbon atomic mass 12. Hydrogen 2.1 to that of 1. Next, bromine, how much we got? 85.1 to that of bromine atomic mass 80. Okay, now just simplify this ratio. Then what we are going to get here? I will get 1 is to 2 is to 1. So now you write the empirical formula. Empirical formula is equal to C1, carbons 1, hydrogens 2, bromines 1. So first step is completed. I got empirical formula. So what else I have to know to calculate molecular formula? I have to know n value. Step 2 is, let us determine n. This is step 2. How can I determine n? N I can determine if I take the ratio of molecular mass. So how, I don't know what is a molecular mass, but I know that they gave vapor density. So in order to substitute into an equation, what I have to do? Molecular mass formula I know is equal to 2 multiplied by vapor density. So 2 is 2 multiplied, what is the vapor density? 93.95. That equal to how much I am going to get in this case? 187.9. Okay, now what is the next thing I have to know? Molecular mass as well as empirical formula mass. Empirical formula mass is equal to carbon 12, hydrogens 2, bromine 80, that equal to 94. Now you substitute in this equation. Molecular formula mass is 187.9 and empirical formula mass is equal to 94. So what I'm going to get around exactly 2. So n value I got. Now write down step 3. What is step 3? Substitute in this equation. Molecular formula is equal to what is the n value? 2. 2 multiplied by what is the empirical formula? CH2Br. So now what I have to do? C2H, 2 carbons, 2 times 2, 4 hydrogens, 2 times bromines. That's it. This is the molecular formula of the compound. So in this way, if we know these two formulas, you can easily determine molecular formula of a given compound. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.